Remote control toys. Today my mom decided to take me to Five Below and I got, well, the RC helicopter, as you can see. But I also got myself Hatsune Miku keychains. But that's not important right now. That's not important. What's important is the RC helicopter. I'm gonna unbox it on camera and I'm gonna fly it. Oh, there it is. There's everything. You got the helicopter, the controller, and what I'm assuming is landing gear. I got the batteries. Let's put them in. Does it have battery already? Okay, let's play with this outside. Now that we're outside, I can finally play with this. Let's turn this bad boy on, have some fun. Okay, cheers! Alright, test number 2. Let's do it again. Why aren't you working, bro? Maybe I gotta like throw it up or something, I don't know. So I was right, I do have to throw it up if I want it to fly. Finally, you'll see this thing fly properly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
It was better than last time. And it landed upright. Was this worth the $7? Yeah, it was. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's a cool toy. Just there's no like joystick to control it or anything. So if it goes in the wrong direction and lands in the pool, it's cooked. That's my review on the Five Below helicopter. For a first review, I think I did pretty good. But that's gonna be it for today. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you next time.